Assalamu'alaikum, warahmatullahi, wabarakatuh. Myself, Aini Noor Sheikh, and today we will talk about the night of the power. Did you know this about Shabe Qadr? This one night counts as more than 83 years of worship. 1 hour counts as more than 9.8 years of worship. 1 minute counts as more than 58 days of worship. And each second counts as more than 23 hours of worship. The best use of time is done through istighfar, zikr, Quran recitation, non-stop du'as, and giving charity in the form of sadaqah and zakat. Do not waste time by doing gossip or watching TV. Have no regrets and try not to sleep. Make this Laylatul Qadr count. Jazakallahu khairan.